5S is a systematic workplace organization and housekeeping methodology developed in Japan to improve safety, efficiency, quality, productivity, and employee morale. It helps organizations eliminate waste, reduce hazards, and create a clean and organized work environment where everything has a designated place, and every employee takes ownership of workplace conditions. 5S is the foundation of lean manufacturing, continuous improvement, Kaizen, and world-class operations. Sort, Seiri, keep only what is needed. Identify and remove unnecessary items from the workplace. Examples: remove damaged pallets, dispose of obsolete materials, eliminate broken tools and equipment, clear unused documents and files. Benefits: more workspace, reduced clutter, fewer hazards, easier inventory management. Set in order, Seiton, a place for everything and everything in its places. Arrange required items for easy access and return. Examples: label racks and storage bins, create designated parking for forklifts, use shadow boards for tools, mark walkways and storage areas. Benefits: reduced search time, improved workflow, better material control, increased efficiency. Shine, say so, clean and inspect. Maintain a clean workplace while identifying abnormalities. Examples: clean floors and workstations daily, remove oil spills immediately. Inspect equipment during cleaning, clean warehouse racks and storage areas. Benefits: improved safety, early detection of defects, better equipment reliability, enhanced workplace appearance. Standardize, Seiketsu. Make the best practice the standard practice. Develop procedures and visual controls to sustain improvements. Examples: daily housekeeping checklists, cleaning schedules, color-coded storage systems, standard operating procedures, SOPs. Benefits: consistency across teams, easier training of new employees, better compliance, reduced variation. Sustain, Shitsuke. Make 5S a habit. Develop discipline and accountability to continuously follow 5S. Examples: conduct weekly 5S audits, recognize good housekeeping practices, include 5S in daily meetings, encourage employee suggestions. Benefits: long-term improvement, strong safety culture, employee ownership, continuous improvement mindset. Before 5S, damaged pallets scattered around, tools stored randomly, blocked emergency exits, excess inventory occupying space, employees wasting time searching. After 5S, clean and organized warehouse, clearly marked storage locations, open walkways and exits, faster material retrieval, improved safety and productivity. Safer workplace, reduced stress and frustrations, easier to find tools and materials, better teamwork and communication, increased job satisfaction, greater sense of ownership. Fewer accidents and injuries, improved productivity, reduced operating costs, better product quality, improved customer satisfaction, higher employee engagement, better audit, and compliance performance. The 5-minute 5S rule: start of shift, 2 minutes. Inspect your work area, remove unnecessary items. End of shift, 3 minutes. Clean workstation, return tools to designated locations, dispose of waste properly. Clean as you go. Put things back after use, report abnormalities immediately. Keep walkways clear, follow visual controls and standards. 5S is not a cleaning activity. It is a culture of discipline, safety, efficiency, and continuous improvement. If you cannot find something within 30 seconds, your workplace needs 5S. Good housekeeping plus 5S equals safe workplace plus higher productivity plus operational excellence.